Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a streamer and a content creator and you're wondering how to withdraw your earnings easily, especially if your platform pays in crypto, this video is for you. Today, I will show you exactly how I use Bybit to receive and withdraw my streaming income and how you can do it too. A lot of people are making money from streaming apps but get stuck when it's time to withdraw. No PayPal, no direct bank transfer, just crypto. So in this video, I will break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. So Bybit is a crypto exchange where you can receive, store, and convert your crypto into real money. The reason I personally use it for my streaming app is because it's fast. It supports USDT, which other platforms pay with, and it's easy to convert to cash. So instead of struggling with withdrawals, this makes everything smooth. To get started, click in the link in the description box. Sign up with your email or phone number. Verify your account. Use your government ID card, NIN, national ID card, whichever one you have. Use it to verify your account. Once you are in, you are ready to start receiving payments. Now, this is the most important part. Most streaming platforms will ask for a crypto wallet address when you want to withdraw. Here is what to do. Go to your Bybit, click on Assets, click on Deposits, choose USDT. Deposit crypto received from a Bybit user. You choose this first option. Copy your wallet address. Then go back to your streaming app and paste that address as your withdrawal method. Once your platform sends the payment, it will show up in your Bybit account over here. This usually takes a few minutes depending on the network. Let's turn that crypto into real cash. Go to your sell button. You see where they wrote P2P trading over here. Choose your country and your currency. Find a trusted buyer. Sell your USDT. Once the buyer sends you the money, you go back to your account and verify if that money is really in your account. Then you come back and confirm the payment. Here is a bonus a lot of people don't know. So if you're already using streaming apps, you can share your Bybit link, help others withdraw their money, earn commission when they trade. If you haven't seen my other videos where I show you how to make money on streaming apps, go check them out below. Because this video is the second step. This is how you actually get your money out. So first, learn how to earn, then use this method to withdraw easily. Please, this is very, very important. Always double check your wallet address. Use the correct network. Very, very important so you don't lose your money. Start with a small amount if you are new. So that is it, guys. That is exactly how I withdraw my streaming income using Bybit. If this video helped you, like the video, comment if you need help, subscribe for more ways to make money online. And don't forget, my Bybit link is in the description section if you want to get started. Thank you.